21 CR 11553, State of Texas versus Leila McFarland. Now parties announced for the record for the state.
Jason Gearhead, Your Honor.
Defense.
Richard Garcia for the defense. Ready, Judge?
Are you Leila McFarland?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
Are you the same Leah Beth McFarland who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 11553 for the offense of assault peace officer judge on February 23rd, 2022 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Cited condition number 41, on or about the 18th day of July 2023, in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Leah Beth McFarland did not there failed to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bear County Community Supervision and Corrections Department's duly diagnosed residential facility, and that the defendant was unsuccessfully discharged in violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 41, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition 41?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 41 true. Is there a proposed resolution?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. And that is to adjudicate guilt or revoke the individual's community supervision, sentence her to 2 years of the Texas Department of Corrections.
All right, probation. How was she doing other than not completing this? All right. So is there a reason you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right. State your name for the record.
Leah McFarland.
All right. So what happened?
I got onto probation and I paid a fine. I did my proof of address. I showed up for visits, but what I didn't get done was the mental or the CTA. It's some kind of drug and alcohol maybe, and then there was a mental health exam, but I got those both in jail the last time I was incarcerated.
So why are you not following the rules with mental health?
Oh, I went to DDRF and I don't know, they said that I panicked a lot, and they said that I was talking when I shouldn't have, and I just got a bunch of write-ups that
All right.
I'm not.
Just one moment. Probation. Any objection to the court reviewing the
No,
documentation for probation?
No, Your Honor.
No, that you're making it seem like these were light infractions. These were not light infractions on your part.
I'm sorry. I was trying.
No, I mean, when you call somebody an F and B, that's not a light infraction. All right. Anything, counsel? Any questions?
No, Your Honor, we're just asking that you follow the agreement with the state.
All right. The court is going to find violation of condition number 41 true. Court is going to grant the motion. Court is going to sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. I'm going to show you what's entitled trial court certification. You can go around, Richard. I'm going to show you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Do you understand? You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
Sort of. Can you
All right.
explain it more?
Sure.
Okay.
So you can file a notice of appeal or have your attorney file a notice of appeal. That notice of appeal is not for the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
Yes.
But the notice of appeal can be based upon the allegations that were in the motion. Do you understand? I'll let your attorney explain it
I'll
to you.
explain it to you.
All right, because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
We can go off the record. You cannot use your mental illness to be mean to people. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck. 23 CR 2912, State of Texas versus Christopher Trinidad. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Travis Thanks to the state of Texas.
Defense.
Rafael Leal for Christopher Trinidad.
Are you Christopher Trinidad?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review that with your attorney?
Yes,
I'm sorry, with your client?
yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Trinidad, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Trinidad, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, the situation with my client was that he was a security guard. Got home, there was an argument. It ended up in him being arrested. Through my investigator, there was we approached the complainant. The complainant, it's fine with not wanting to pursue anything further against my client. And in fact, she signed out of her own volition, her own accord, a affidavit of non-prosecution. However, given my client's situation, and he accepted the defer the agreement that was presented to you, and he is willing to abide by those conditions, Judge. And I also have a motion in order for the investigator that helped me out in assessing the case.
All right, so Mr. Trinidad,
Yes, ma'am.
what is this that I'm reading the police report about your video recording? What was that about?
The video recording?
Yes, in the police report, it says that you became enraged because one of the complainants told the other complainant to be careful because you're recording. They said that wasn't characteristic for you. So what is the recording about?
No, I'm just upset, Your Honor. I just,
Well, were you recording or not?
was that recording?
Yes, recording,
Oh, no, ma'am.
recording other individuals because that's what's in the police report.
No, no, ma'am. Sorry.
How do you know these people?
They're my family.
Ah, so we have another family situation. So where are you going to be living? By yourself at another location because you're not going to be allowed to have contact.
I have another location where I can look to. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have any prior mental health diagnosis?
No, ma'am.
Are you employed?
I was at the time,
Doing what?
security officer.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes.
What are their ages?
My son is 13, my daughter's 22, but she lives with my previous wife.
And so where's the 13-year-old?
13 is at home
With, who's he with?
with my wife.
Okay. So you and your wife are still together?
Yes, ma'am.
And who is your wife? What's her name?
Maria Chavez.
Ah. So what's the name of the 13-year-old, the first name?
Felix.
State, you put in here, no contact with Chavez. Who is Chavez?
Sorry,
I believe it is the complainant, Judge, and if we can make it a not in injurious contact with Ms. Chavez, I don't think she.
All right, I won't do that unless you can file a motion. She can appear by Zoom if she wants to appear by Zoom, but I don't do no harmful or injurious unless I've spoken to the complainant.
Yes, Your Honor, that is the complainant, Maria Chavez. I neglected to put the first name.
All right, no problem. So the court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication, $400 fine probated, taking consideration county court cause number 704628. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, the BIPP course, 200 hours of community service restitution. There's to be no contact with Felix Elaine and Maria Felix Chavez. Counsel, once you set up a hearing and they appear by Zoom, the court will reconsider.
All right.
I'm going to want parenting classes and probation, whatever parenting classes you feel are appropriate. Once you complete those parenting classes, then the community service hours will be deemed satisfied.
Yes, yeah.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Are there any drug issues with you? We're going to do random UAs, field visits, one time per month for 4 months. If there's no issue with the field visits, then probation, you may discontinue those. Probation, is there anything else he needs? All right. The last name of everybody I'm going to give you is Chavez. All right. Is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful in this probation?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Proving employment.
Ah, thank you. I knew I was forgetting something. So there's going to be, we're still on the record. Added to your condition is proof of employment within 15 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what I can tell you, because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to have any weapons. So you're going to have to seek new employment. All right. And we're off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, you need to stay in contact with probation. If there's an issue with probation, let the court know. And we will take up those matters.
Definitely, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. Thank you.
How's treatment coming along for you?
Treatment? It's been a journey, but I've been working with it. It's been kind of hard. As you know, I had a slip up there, and but I've been doing my recovery every day, and it's one of those things I've never experienced this before. I did have a drinking habit when I was younger, and it just increased during my divorce. I went through a foreclosure. I had some things going on in my life, but that's not an excuse.
All right, everyone, please whisper.
But it's something that it's been difficult, but it's definitely been a learning process.
Okay. So what tools did you learn to make sure you maintain your sobriety?
Well, for one, I'm understanding that my emotions aren't it's not worth getting in trouble for. I've learned how to relax and calm down. I have 5 children. So, you know, they test you, you know. I have a 20-year-old and 18-year-old. Those are the 2 that really test me. But at the same time, they're growing up. So it's something that I've been able to process. And I did go to rehab for a little bit. And during rehab, we had process groups, and I was able to release a lot of things that happened. My ex-wife was murdered, and that was tough. It's something that we had to experience as a family. So I gotta say, even though I didn't like getting arrested, it's definitely been something that I needed. And never thought I would say that, but yeah.
And if you're drug tested today?
I mean, I'd be fine. I get drug tested every week.
Yeah, I read the report
Oh,
that since you've been getting drug tested every week, your tests have been better, coming out negative, which is a good thing.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. And I saw where Child Protective Services, I assume, got involved because of this. What's happening with that?
Oh, actually, it was a really positive experience, believe it or not. The lady was super sweet. She came by, she spoke to my mom, she spoke to my children, she spoke to me, she spoke to the person that I work with. And I have that day, it was a relief because she was a really nice lady. And she never contacted me after that. So I'm really not sure what happened with that. But I know that it was a good thing. She asked me if I needed anything to give her a call, and which I appreciate. And any other resource that I could use, you know, it helps.
Okay. All right. So you understand that you have children who are depending on you.
Yes, ma'am.
Your mom depending on you.
Yes.
The family unit is depending on you. And sometimes when you do drugs, that could be the last time that you do drugs, and you don't want anybody having to identify you, because if something were to happen to you, that's going to be more drama and trauma to your children.
Yes.
Okay. So what did you learn from parenting classes?
Parenting classes were good. I've taken parenting classes in the past, and I have to say it's a good refresher. I have to say I'm, you know, it doesn't come with a pamphlet being a parent, but I feel like I'm not sure right now. You caught me off to some time. I apologize.
No
I wish I
problem.
would have had a better answer. a little
No,
more
you know,
witty.
people always wonder why, when people come here for a criminal charge,
Yes.
that I always want to know about your life. Do you have children in the house? And why I'm always giving parenting classes? Because people think, oh, that has nothing to do with anything.
It's
But it
important.
has a lot to do with a lot of things,
Yes.
because sometimes when people have a drug issue, part of the triggers are children, and how am I supposed to handle this? And boundaries are being tested.
Exactly.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to terminate. Here's the thing. Do not, I repeat, if you're going out to celebrate because your probation has been terminated, that celebration should be, I don't know, maybe the Cheesecake Factory with their 90 or 100-page menu.
His case is set to terminate on the 10th, so we would remain until the 10th of this month. Is that okay?
All right. If you,
I mean, I waited
So-
this long.
all right. So it's the 10th, but you can still go to Cheesecake Factory. You know, they have a great Caesar salad. Caesar salad is all about the dressing.
It is.
Yeah, but you can go there and celebrate with your children or some other place. They have a new place here called Bojangles or something.
Chicken tenders, supposed to be really good.
I haven't tried it.
My friend is the owner.
Oh.
Nice.
All right. So, in my understanding, their prices are great. So look at us. We got an insight to Bojangles.
I know.
Maybe they have some delivery. I don't know. All right. So what's going to end up happening if there are no issues with you, then your probation is going to terminate on the 10th.
Okay.
And the last time I checked the calendar, today is the 8th.
Yes.
So 2 days and you will be done. Well, I hope you've learned a lot from probation, and I hope
I did.
I won't see you here again unless you just come in to drop in to say hi.
Well, that's you know, the parking's kind of expensive.
All right,
Thank you
yes.
very much, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I
welcome.
just want to confirm, the termination, did you want that satisfactory or unsatisfactory?
Well, we can do terminate satisfactory.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. And does he need to report any more this month?
So,
We'll talk. I'll
Okay.
look at the calendar.
All right, thank you. Have a
thank you
great
very
rest
much
of your
for
day.
time. I appreciate it.
Please subscribe to help the channel.